How to install Snapchat to your iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So to do this, just go to your app store, and after going to app store, here you have to search for Snapchat. You have to write Snapchat. Okay, after writing the Snapchat, you have to click on the search bar, and then here you can see you'll get an option Snapchat, and you have to click on get option, and then you just need to verify your verify here. Okay, after double click, or after looking at your face verification, after doing this, after verifying this, it will automatically start to download on your device. Okay, so just you need to hold on for a few seconds. It depends upon your network. Okay, it's done. Now click on open option, and then here you can see you'll get to see this type of interface. And then now here you can see you can sign up and log in, and you can use the Snapchat on your iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon on the next video.